Hi everybody, I hope everyone's doing well. This video I am quickly gonna unbox this little surprise accessory for you guys. So if you guys are interested, do stick around. So this is absolutely impromptu, you guys. As you can see, forgive my appearance or my lighting. I came from work, so I might look a little disheveled, but that's okay because this is so exciting for me and I just wanted to share it with you guys. And I want to open it. It just arrived in the store today and I did have it put on hold. So as soon as I was done with work, I picked it up and I don't know if you guys can guess what it is, but it is one of the, I think, the cutest accessory for spring summer 2019. It was all over the spring summer fashion show of Christian Dior, so I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. There is another thing that I have coming and I can't wait to share it with you guys, but for now it's gonna be this. And the box is so cute, you guys. Packaging is amazing. So this is the box and it's so pretty. I almost don't want to unbox it. So I'm gonna tell you, well, I'm not so sure if you guys know, probably not from the box, but it's not a scarf. And I tried this in the store and I wasn't so sure. It was like, let's see how it, because on the website it looked so good and it's something that I would wear. So okay, this is what it is, you guys. It's the spring summer Christian Dior headband that was all over the runways. The runway. So this is how it looks, and it's a double band that actually crisscrosses in the back, and it says Christian Dior J'adore. So it just kind of goes around saying that, and then of course here it says Christian Dior Paris. I don't know if you guys can see that. So when I tried it, because one of the things, it looks so good of course in photographs and on the models, but I was like, will it actually stay and will it actually hold in my hand? So because I've had a few of different brands, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. And when I did try it in the store, it looked so cute. So I hope, I mean, of course I tried the one in the display and the mannequin, so I'm hoping this will of course be like the same. But I think it will. And you know, on the one that I tried on, it held so well and it looked so good. So fingers crossed. It feels so good and it just holds the hair so well. I took a picture when I was in the store and it looked so cute. I don't know if you guys can see, but it says, so that's how it looks. And because it's like it's two bands and it actually crisscrosses in the back, it actually stays in place really well. So I can put my hair down and have it away from my face and it looks so cute, you guys. Look, there's a beige one as well, but I really opted for the black because it's not, it doesn't, like, it kind of like it just blends in. I can have more use of it, and you get scared it's gonna get dirty right away, but that's how it looks, you guys. It is so cute. Let me try that again. So to make sure the crisscross is directly in the center of my head, and then you just put it behind my ear, and then one in the front and one slightly in the back. And that's how it looks, you guys. And if you want to put your hair in a ponytail, you can still do that. You can do a low ponytail and still have the headband like this. I have it in a ponytail. I do have a ponytail with me. But the way they have it on the website, you can do it with really sleek, like, wet look hair. Oh my god, I didn't do that really well, but you guys get the idea. So you can do it with a low ponytail, or you can do it, if you want to put your hair in a bun, you can do it with a low bun. Let me try to do a low bun. You can just twist your hair and then get any like small clip and just fasten it in place, and you can have a little bun right there. So that's how it looks. So that is the Dior headband.